How to put location on story on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat. Take a picture. After taking a picture, you'll find sticker option at the right side in the third. Simply click on it and you'll be able to find your location in here. If you don't find it in here, simply go back and then search for Snapchat. Hold on to Snapchat and go to app info. In app info, click on permissions, which is the second option. Go to location and make sure it's allow all the time. After that, go back to Snapchat. Again, go back. In here, swipe the filters right or left. While you swipe, you'll find location. Click on it. And then you can search your location at the top. Select the location you want. After that, it will pop up in this way. After that, you can simply click on stories located at the bottom beside send to and save. Click on stories and it will be uploaded to your story. This is how to put a location on story on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more.